Apple is preparing to make waves in the smartphone industry with its first ever foldable iPhone and the highly anticipated iPhone 17 lineup. According to well-known Apple analyst Mark Gurman, the foldable iPhone could be released as early as next year. The device is expected to take inspiration from Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold, meaning it may unfold from a regular smartphone into a compact tablet. With the rising popularity of foldable phones, Apple seems to be acknowledging the demand and taking steps to enter this space. While details are still emerging, this foldable iPhone is likely to include many of the same features as the rumored iPhone 17 Air and could come with a price tag close to $2,000. Despite the high cost, Apple's brand loyalty and reputation for premium design could give it a solid place in the market, even if initial sales don't reach massive numbers. As for the standard iPhone 17, it may not introduce groundbreaking changes, but it will still bring meaningful upgrades. Apple often reserves its biggest innovations for the Pro models, and that pattern seems to be continuing. However, one of the biggest improvements expected for the base model is the addition of a ProMotion display, which enables smoother scrolling and animations. This feature has been limited to the Pro models in previous years, so its inclusion in the standard iPhone 17 would be a welcome change. Additionally, improvements to the rear camera system are expected, ensuring users get better photo and video quality. The device will also be powered by Apple's next generation A19 chip, promising increased speed and efficiency. The Pro models, however, are where Apple is expected to introduce its most significant advancements. Gervin suggests that all three rear cameras in the iPhone 17 Pro lineup will feature 48-megapixel sensors, leading to substantial improvements in image quality. This upgrade could position the Pro models as some of the best smartphones for photography and videography. Apple has consistently focused on enhancing camera technology, and this trend appears to be continuing with the iPhone 17 Pro series. A particularly interesting addition to the lineup is the rumored iPhone 17 Air. According to Gurman, this model could be an appealing option for buyers considering a phone in the $800 range. While it may not be drastically different from the standard iPhone 17 in terms of specifications, it is expected to be thinner, lighter, and offer more screen space. For those who prioritize sleek design and portability, the iPhone 17 Air could be a compelling choice. With the introduction of a foldable device, camera improvements, and a new Air model, Apple seems to be catering to different user preferences. The foldable iPhone could attract tech enthusiasts eager to try cutting-edge technology, while the standard iPhone 17 will continue to serve those who prefer a more traditional device. The Pro models will likely appeal to users looking for top-tier camera features, and the Air model could be ideal for those who value a slim and lightweight design. In addition to hardware upgrades, there are rumors of a major redesign for iOS 19, which could bring significant software changes. However, some concerns remain about whether Apple's AI and software improvements can keep pace with its impressive hardware advancements. If Apple successfully aligns both aspects, this could turn out to be one of the most exciting product launches in recent years. With so many potential changes on the horizon, it'll be interesting to see how Apple positions these new devices and whether consumers are ready to embrace a foldable iPhone. What are your thoughts on Apple's upcoming lineup? Share your opinions in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.